This is the instructional video for replacing the bottom bracket and crankset. First, remove the crank arm. Then, remove the crank arm fixing bolt. Take out the crank arm. Inside, you'll find the crankset pins. Tap it. Now, remove the left crank arm. Take out the pedal sensor. Next, remove this part. Then, remove the sleeve inside. Now, remove the bottom bracket axle. Take it out from this side. Now let's install the new parts. We are installing a new crankset. When installing, note that there are two steel ball bearings on the bottom bracket. Make sure the side with the groove faces towards the crankset. Install the pedal sensor and crank arm. Next, move to the other side. Align it with the pin position. Now, install the crank arm. Done.